Jordan Brand took the OG Royals, turned them into the reimagined suede version. In this video, we're gonna discuss all the little details on this sneaker. We're gonna compare them to the OGs, go over the color difference, materials, lace these up and throw them on feet. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. Leave a like on it down below. Subscribe. We're so close to 22,000 subscribers. It would mean a lot if you guys join me on this journey. We got a bunch more early sneakers on the way. Today we got the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. First things first, we get the box. Instead of red, you get that royal blue, almost like in this patent glossy print. Nike Air all along the box. Tag reads black, royal blue, white. I got these in a size 10, obviously. Open the box and you get the shoes. Off the rip, you can tell that this is a lighter color compared to the old Royals. Those were like a deep blue. This is more so like a lighter, vibrant blue. Quality control sticker on the inside, as well as a stamp on the box lid. Pulling these out, you can tell and feel the material difference. First thing that caught my attention was the color, so I am going to talk about that first. Here we have the 2017 Royals, then we have the new pair. You can clearly see the color difference. It might not be a lot to some of you guys. OGs has like a more deeper blue tone. These have like a playful, brighter blue, and a lot of people aren't really feeling that. For me, it doesn't really matter that much. Even here on the back, you could tell that this doesn't really look like a royal blue. It almost looks like an ashy royal blue. I don't know if it has to do with the suede material they decided to go with. From afar, you can tell this is a deeper blue tone. Somebody in the comments for the early look actually told me that they don't mind this reimagined iteration simply because we do still have these OGs you could go back and pick up. It doesn't really tarnish what this is, and it gives us a different take on what we had with the OGs. Let's go over all the little details on the sneaker, starting from the bottom, working our way up. We have a royal blue outsole with the white midsole. Going on to the upper, we have that royal blue wrapping around the ankle, collar, and the swoosh, as well as the toe box, which is that bread royal shadow color blocking. Blue on these does have like a hairier suede. All the black panels are more so like a nubuck material. It's more flat, but it's also softer. You get the backstroke motion with the suede. These come with a black tongue and royal blue Nike Air. Black insole with the blue Nike Air. They bring royal blue laces. Honestly, I would just keep the black laces true to the OG. I love the way that black is subtle and then you just get the pops of the blue. For the purpose of the on feet, I'm gonna swap one of the laces. Y'all know how I do. They definitely didn't play with the materials. That suede is hitting. Now that I have it in hand, I could appreciate it more than I did in the images. I was one of the first people shitting on these. I was expecting something like this, but I can still appreciate what they did with the Reimagined Royals. Reimagined Royals are set to release November 4th at a retail of $180, and I want to know if you guys are actually going to be going for these. For me, it's a mandatory pickup if you don't have the OG Royals, but if you want that different suede counterpart that they have with these reimagined ones, I would say go for it. I think that this is a pair that a lot of people are going to sleep on, especially since November is jam-packed with so many different releases. People are going to let this one go. Let me know if that's how you feel in the comments. Is this a pair of sneakers you're gonna end up going for? We did have an exclusive access for people that weren't able to pick up the reimagined breads, which were the patent breads, or if they didn't hit on the threes. Let me know in the comments if y'all cooked up on the exclusive access, or if this is a sneaker that you plan on going for once they release this upcoming Saturday. I guess I just kind of wish the storytelling for the Reimagined Royals was as good as it was for the Lost and Founds. Even the Reimagined 3, way better reimagined version to a sneaker. I don't know if I'm being biased because I love the white cement 3s. Vintage effects they gave us. Everything on this shoe is perfect, and that's why some people are let down by the ones. Before I lace them up and throw them on feet, I do want to quickly compare them to the satin breads. A lot of people ended up sleeping on this sneaker, so I feel like we're gonna get the same type of energy when it comes to the Royals, especially since more people low-key gravitate towards bread colorways. Royal sometimes goes unnoticed. I know this is a more satin sneaker. People don't love it as much as a regular material Jordan, even though I must say these materials are nuts, bro. Don't sleep. I think that's kind of what pulled me to like these a little bit more than I initially did. It's the quality of the materials. It's a well put together sneaker. I was holding on tight to the idea of loving the way they look as OGs. Sometimes a little bit of change isn't too bad. That's kind of why I appreciate the satin breads as well. I learned to appreciate it for what it is, if that makes sense. We pretty much covered all the little details on the Royal Jordan 1s. Now it's time to lace these up. That way we could throw them on feet and see what they're looking like.
You know the model, smoke some, drink some, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun.
We laced them up and now they're good to go. I laced one pair with the royal blue and the other pair with the black laces. I honestly don't think the blue looks that bad, but personally I would still do the black. It's just way cleaner. Let me know in the comments what way you would lace them. I'm still leaning towards the black though. Being that this is one of the Jordan 1s that Jordan actually wore back in the day, I would definitely recommend picking these up for your collection. If you do have the OG Royals that released in 2017, I don't feel like this is a necessary pickup, but if you're a collector, hey, go for it. I honestly might end up keeping these in the collection simply because it is something different compared to the 2017 retro. At this point, we laced them up. We showed you guys all the little details. Only thing that's left to do is throw them on feet, and then we'll get straight up out the building.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true.
After watching the on foot, me showing y'all all the little details, let me know if this is a sneaker you're gonna be going for this upcoming Saturday. It's a gorgeous shoe. I honestly fell in love with it way more having them in hand. The suede honestly does these justice, and I'm excited to see what the Reimagined Bread 4s are gonna look like in hand. I know we saw that they're gonna be a leather pair, so if it's looking as impressive as these, I'm honestly gonna be all for it. Hopefully we could get those early for the channel. I would honestly rate these a 8.5 out of 10, maybe even a 9. I love the execution on the sneaker. The idea behind it didn't really captivate me too much, but seeing them in hand, it's definitely a sneaker worth checking out. If y'all enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Let's get this video to over 100 likes for more early sneaker reviews. Also subscribe to the channel. We're this close to 22,000 subscribers. After that, we're gonna aim for Jordan's number, which is 23K. This is a banger sneaker, bro. Low-key, I was sleeping on them. I'm glad I was able to pick them up to show you guys. With all that being said, best of luck this upcoming Saturday. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And check out one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Who knows? You just might like what YouTube has to offer from my channel. I appreciate you. I love you. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.